Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be going through an important and useful thing in penetration testing or hacking, Google Dorks. It is a great thing you can use to search through Google, finding all sorts of different stuff on the website and all sorts of vulnerabilities and information leaks. So let's jump into our Tor browser right here. Right here we have an example of all the Google Dorks that you can use without being malicious. If we go visit the Google hacking database on the exploit database, you can actually find a lot of Google Dorks. Now dorks are basically just text that specify something in the Google. In the Google search you can actually write things like in title and then what is in title, or file type and then the specific file type that you're searching for. So if I want to find PDFs about dogs, I can just write dogs, file type PDF, and it's going to find them that way. So this is considered to be a dork, but in this case I'm not using it as a dork. I'm using it actually as just a search thing, advanced search thing. Now in order to use it maliciously, or well in this case half maliciously I guess, you can find all sorts of stuff that you want to look for. So right here you can press on filters, and on the category you can pick which filter do you want. So do you want error messages to find server information, content management system information, files containing juicy info, files containing passwords, sensitive data, online shopping info, and all sorts of stuff like that. So let's go files containing passwords, and then once we specify that, it's going to show us all the dorks that we can use. So right here we can use this dork right here. It says in title is index off, and then creds.txt. Now I doubt that someone storing passwords is going to always store passwords in creds.txt. It doesn't have to be, but maybe it depends on the content management system. So right here we're going to use the index of database.com. Now this seems like something we can use. Also you can find the Gmail in-text password and the password. So we're going to specify our dork and what we want. So this can be the website you're pen testing, for example, of course legally, and you don't want to do anything illegal. Or it can be, I like to specify a country, so I can just write for Croatia. I can write Croatia, or you can write the real, like the way Croatians call Croatia, which is Hrvatska. But let's just use I don't know, Spain, for example, and then right here. Well, it didn't find Spain, but it did find something. Let's try Croatia, and it didn't find anything. So what I like to do, if I don't find anything like this, I like to actually write .hr, which is the extension for Croatia, or just HR in this case. And then it's going to find HR as in human resources right here, but you can actually find the website as extension, site and the extension for the site that you want to use, or you can do .com for example. And then right here we have Yahoo site admin credentials. Now of course I'm not going to enter any of these because of the safety. You don't even need to know how to hack to just find sensitive data and stuff like that. And one thing I wanted to tell you is you can actually find stuff like this on the ahmia.fi, which is the hidden service search for the Tor network. You can find the .db files or whatever, but it doesn't work like on the Google, so keep in mind that half of this won't work, but you can actually just do wp admin /wp admin and stuff like that. WP admin, and you can actually find WP content uploads, for example, right here, as I just did. WP content, let's take a look at that. WP content uploads and stuff like that. You can actually find stuff using the dorks, but it doesn't work perfectly, but it does work sort of. Now I don't recommend the scrolling through deep web much because it's dangerous, but let's take a look at this example. You can actually find the files like this. I don't know what they do, and I don't want to enter any of them. I don't know who owns this website, so like I don't want to mess. Okay, so that's basically Google Dorks in short. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.